Before playback singing, मेरा एक line था which was ads and jingles and voiceovers and commercials. तो Bonvita के ads and there was Rin and all these kind of ads that I used to do. Complan, I'm a Complan boy, and all those voiceovers that you hear over the years. I've lent my voice for that. And वो मेरे लिए I think सही मायने में training ground हो गया था to know how to sing in a studio, क्योंकि वहाँ पे टेक्निक्स यूज़ होती है, आपको कितना इमोट करना है, कितना नहीं करना है, एंड किस एक्सप्रेशन से डायलॉग्स बोलने हैं एंड सिंगिंग करना है. तो आई लर्नड अ लॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एड्स एंड जिंगल्स, एंड वो मेरा फुल फ्लेजेड करियर था बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड प्लेबैक सिंगिंग. एंड काफ़ी एड्स एंड जिंगल्स के ज़रिए मैंने ऐसे कंपोजर्स से मुलाकात हुई मेरी, जैसे कि अमित त्रिवेदी वॉज अ वेरी नोटेबल एड म्यूज़िक कंपोजर, एंड उनके लिए मैंने काफ़ी एड्स गाए थे, एंड जो उन्होंने म्यूज़िक किया था उसके लिए एड संग. एंड उस वजह से जब वो म्यूज़िक कंपोजर बने बॉलीवुड के लिए, सो ही रिमेंबर्ड ऑल द सिंगर्स दैट ही इज़ वर्कड विथ इन एड्स, एंड उस एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से एंड उनके साथ काम करने की वजह से आई गॉट अ चांस टू डू चिल्लर पार्टी विच वॉज हिज सोलो म्यूजिक एल्बम. एंड उसमें आई सैंग 3 songs, actually 4 songs, and this is how each industry is linked together. तो एड्स वाली जो इंडस्ट्री थी वो बॉलीवुड से कनेक्टेड थी किसी तरीके से. सो whoever worked from the ad industry went on to become a music composer in the music industry, and gave me a chance because they knew my talent. So I think each industry contributes to each other, and the ads and the jingle industry did a lot for me. Actually क्या है कि आज टेक्नोलॉजी एक लेवल पे पहुंच गई है which can काफ़ी हद तक आपके वॉइस को रिपेयर कर सकती है, एंड इट कैन मेक इट साउंड लाइक अ प्रो सिंगिंग. बट वो जो एक ऑर्गेनिक वॉइसेस होती है सिंगर्स की, एंड जो सिंगिंग होती है, जो काबिलियत होती है टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग वेल, वो उसका जो फील है वो अलग है कम्प्लीटली, एंड देयर इज नथिंग दैट कैन बीट रियल सिंगिंग and real playback singing. Obviously there are actors who are singing, and I think कि उनका जो motive है, that's not to become a singer, that's something else, that's to promote their movie, and well, everyone to their own and what they feel कि सही है मेरे फिल्म के लिए, and they should do it for sure. But obviously I can 100% guarantee you that they cannot sing as well as the singers. And each one has their own talent. Actors have their talent of acting, and we have our expertise in singing. So there is a huge difference between an actor singing and a singer singing. And when there are many instances in our industry also that there are many so singers who are doing a lot of work and gaining a lot of recognition and popularity, using devices like you have stated, Autotune and Melodyne. And they have become popular names in the music industry, and many of the fraternity people think that they do not require that much of attention and popularity, and they should not deserve that much. But I think there is real music, and there is music that is being produced. So any listener can make out whether a voice is being really processed and produced, and whether a person is actually singing it himself. Or in either of the cases people are singing on the mic, लेकिन एक टोन में पता चल जाता है कि whether you've used that much of processing and whether you've not. But to be honest, all the top singers and जो हम गाते हैं उसमें थोड़ा सा processing रहता है, which is an industry standard. And many people don't know that Autotune and Melodyne are instruments that are used to only करेक्ट पिचेस. लाइक समहाउ अगर हम गाते हैं एक गाना तो उसमें एक नोट यहाँ पे इधर उधर हो गया, तो उससे फिक्स करने के लिए these devices are created. But people are using these devices to create whole songs out of it, make people sing when they cannot sing. So that kind of a practice is obviously not healthy for our industry, and हमारे लिए जो रियल टैलेंट है उनके लिए थोड़ा डिस्करेजिंग भी हो जाता है. बट मुझे लगता है कि जब रियल टैलेंट बाहर आती है तो वो इस तरह से आती है कि देयर इज नो वन एल्स आउट देयर. It always depends on the director's vision, because there are many directors who cannot visualize their music and they do not know how to extract it from the composers. So what they believe in doing is getting singles for their movies. So one song is from another composer, one is from another composer. So each composer के flavor के हिसाब से they're taking one song from them and compiling their album. So sometimes all the songs gel together and become a music album, but sometimes it can miserably fail, because when one music director looks at one album and makes a soundtrack for the album, there's the unison in the sound, because all the songs have one common factor, that is the movie, and it's the realism in the movie comes out in the songs as well. And जब एक person को काम सौंपा जाता है तो उस दौरान जब वो म्यूज़िक बना रहा है एंड जो उसे स्क्रिप्ट से पता चल रहा है कि ये हो रहा है सीन में, एंड these are the situations in the song, so that realism comes into the song, and there's a certain organic feeling when there is one composer singing it and there's one voice for the whole actor in the whole movie. That used to happen back in the day, but now it's not happening. But there again, since there are so many composers coming into the fore, there is a lot of promotion for different singers and music composers. Many people are getting chances to sing and compose. वैसे पहले होता था कि there used to be only Kishore Kumar, only Mohammed Rafi and only Lata Mangeshkar, and there was no other singer apart from that. But now we're boosting talent, we're getting new people to sing, you're hearing new voices. So I think in a way it's promoting new talent. And अगर ये नहीं होता तो there would be again a monopoly of just 3 singers and 3 composers working in the industry, and other people would be like, we don't have any entry into the industry, so what's the point of taking up music as a career? So there's an incentive towards new talent coming out into movies, and मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी जो youngsters है उन्हें अभी ये महसूस हो रहा है कि we have a chance, we can compete with the best, and if our song is good, we can pitch it to a movie. So it promotes talent in a nice way. Well, girl sending messages is there a lot, but I don't have a girlfriend as of now. I'm single, and that's good news, I guess, for people. एक तो there's my music that's consuming most of my time, so I'm not getting time to chill out. But yes, at this stage I don't want to be bogged down by a relationship, and just focus on my work, and I'm enjoying life. So I think that's how it is as of now. But I'm enjoying the girl attention, the ladies' attention. So yeah, keep loving me. I see myself as a global singer rather than just a playback singer in Bollywood, in the Bollywood film industry. I wish to be a singer representing India on a global platform, singing Hindi, English, other songs, songs that I want to do from my heart. There are many songs that I write on my own, compose on my own, which I want to share with the world, and that is not possible through a Bollywood film because it's very restrictive in a way. And हमारे दिल की जो बातें हैं वो जब लफ्ज़ों में आती है तो people connect in a very big way. So I would like to do a lot of non-film stuff in the future, and become a global star rather than just a playback singer in Bollywood. No plans of settling down only in India. I want to be a globetrotter. I want to travel. I love traveling and love seeing new places, and love meeting new people. So yes, I think that's going to be my life in the coming years. And my main focus is being, leaving my mark on the world and not just on India and Indians abroad. There are many playback singers that have come into our industry, and they've sung a lot of songs in Bollywood and gained a lot of popularity, but they've never been able to break out as an artist globally. When any music artist comes to India, everyone knows him, but when we go there, a limited audience knows us. Only Indians know that, or Asians know us. So I want to change that. I want to change that fact, and I want to be a person that the whole world would remember and would appreciate the music of. मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि there's no age that can hold you back to do what you want to do, and if you have the passion and if you have the talent to go with it, you should go all out. And today there are many platforms such as YouTube and social media that can help your music to come out to the fore and make people listen to your voice and your compositions and your music. So the world is not that a big place that you think it is. It is a small place. Everyone is connected, and it's not that you're living in a different country and you cannot be part of something that's happening here or the Bollywood industry here. You can always be part of anything that you want to, as long as you reach out to the right people with your voice and your talent. So I think everything is out there for all the youngsters to do. It's just the initiative. You need to get up, take your instrument or take your voice or compositions and just go out to the world and show what you have.